everyone, my name is Lauren and today we're going to be making a sweet potato pie cocktail. I know it sounds crazy, but just stick with me. If you want to learn how to make this cocktail, stay tuned. So our ingredients for our sweet potato pie cocktail are going to be vanilla vodka or a spiced rum. Today I'm going to go with a vanilla vodka, but your rum is an option. You'll need some heavy whipping cream, and I picked up this sweet potato spice syrup, and that is going to be the base for our cocktail. For our garnishes, we're going to have some of this Twix shakers because I love Twix, and we're going to toast some marshmallows. So first, we're going to add our vanilla vodka, followed by some heavy whipping cream. Then we are going to add our sweet potato spice syrup. If you like it sweeter, I suggest adding just a little bit more. Now we're going to add our ice to the shaker, and we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds until the cocktail is chilled. So now we're going to add a little bit of syrup to our glass, and I'm going to add some of my Twix seasoning, add our ice, and then we're going to pour over. Now I'm going to go toast my marshmallow. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. My marshmallows are well done, and we're gonna add this to our cocktail. And now you have it, your sweet potato pie cocktail. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more delicious drink and food recipes. And if you decide to make this cocktail, be sure to tag me. I would love to see. Have a wonderful and happy holidays. Cheers.